kaya? Ano ba yung...
photo moment? Ay!
They say ex-lovers can't be friends.
Aha.
Well, I say, talaga ba?
What's this,
Ba?
tita?
Ganda naman ang smile ko dyan, if I may say so. At mas payatski, hayaan mo na. Ganun lang talaga yan. Well, it's my ex. Di ba, well, in a way, alam naman ng lahat na iniwan niya din ako. Oo. So, I had to pick up the pieces and bring up Robin on my own,
Okay.
you know. And then, tinatawanan ko na lang kasi magkaibigan na kami ngayon.
How did you become friends, tita?
Yeah.
Paano nangyari yung...
Well, nagkasakit siya. Nagkaroon siya na-stroke siya.
Okay.
So, parang yung compassion mo, overflowing, di ba? And then, you know, your child, or my son, has a lot to do with that. Na gusto niya kaming makita na, alam mo, friends man lang. Friends man lang. So,
Bilang mga magulang niya.
yes. Tapos may isang, hindi naman siguro magsasama yung loob ni ex na one time, invite ko sila dun sa isang house na nag-host ako ng for the clan.
Okay.
Na, I was already married to Raja. I was
Raja.
already a Mrs. Pullen, but medyo umano ako. And kumbaga, sumimple ako kasi gusto nila
Or
makita yung...
nag-reach out.
Yeah, gusto nila makita yung house na yon. So, anyway, so the house is quite nice and it's made of wooden, Nara.
Okay.
May mga slats na gano'n.
Okay.
Tapos I think I was performing or something to the clan. And then Robin saw that my ex was looking in one of the slats and looking admiringly at me.
Fun! Fun!
Tapos kinunan niya yata ng picture.
So may ebidensya, tita.
May ebidensya, good. Oo.
ebidensya.
Magaling ka pala magwaray din, magbisaya. Oo. Kaya sabi niya, mommy, daddy is still looking at you.
I wonder.
Something like that. So, tsaka ngayon, we just saw each other again because Robin was here like last week.
Okay.
And then the whole clan still likes me.
Wow.
And I'm really a Tomas. He is Bert Tomas. That's why I'm Tessie Tomas. I'm really still bearing. Oh, I carry the name. You know, I have the ex-wedding, the marriage certificate.
Yeah.
The original marriage certificate. I still have it. Of course, there's an overlay of the pull-in. Anyway, ngayon, sabik pa rin sila sa akin na makita ako, yung
That's
ganon.
wonderful, tita.
Naghanda sila, nag-rumble yata yung tiyan ko kasi sa sobrang
Dami na pinakain.
Iba-iba na pare-parehong karne ata yun. May kare-kare. May
Beef
kare-kare,
steak.
merong
All the best.
sinigang na baboy, merong kalyo, si Robin dala. Ako nagluto ng paksiw na pata, whatever. Nag-rumble-rumble na, pero ganun sila ka-excited. Saka they're inviting me again before I leave to see them. And parang walang nangyari. Ganun talaga sila.
That's such a
Wonderful talaga.
That's such a beautiful kind of relationship
Yes.
to share.
Yes, Mars, especially for Robin.
Especially for the
Yes.
sake of...
Yes. Yes.